So what is an enharmonic? First and foremost, an enharmonic is when we play one pitch and there are two names for it, for that note. So typically speaking, on the most basic level, it's going to be a sharp and a flat. So the example that we're going to start with would be F sharp. So the enharmonic for F sharp is G flat, and I'll tell you how we're going to get there. So if we look at the note F, and when we add a sharp to F, we're raising the pitch by a half step. So if there's only a full step between F and G, we're actually halfway in between. So what happens when we add a flat to a note? We lower it by a half step, right? So again, we're meeting in the middle between F and G, right? Because we're lowering G to be right in the middle between G and F. So F sharp and G flat are both right halfway in between F and G. So our enharmonic for F sharp is G flat. So what do you think the enharmonic for C sharp is? I'll give you a second to think about it. D flat, absolutely. So we've got G flat and D flat for those of you that typically play in flat keys. And then what's our next one? We have G sharp. What would be our enharmonic for G sharp? I'll give you a second to think about it. If you said A flat, you would be absolutely correct, my friend. Amazing job. Now the last one tends to trip people up quite a bit, okay? So we have D sharp, D sharp. What do you think the enharmonic for D sharp would be? If you said E flat, you would be absolutely correct.